Okay, so here is this trane XR13 heat pump starting up. It's kind of banged in a little bit, I don't know why. But it has a kilometer reciprocating, so that's pretty cool. See this good shot of it? I got a video of this running yesterday. I mean, that one, this one, and that one all running and shutting off yesterday. You should check that video out. I was going to try to get it starting up yesterday, but I cannot, so I got it starting up today. There's the fan motor. I can't really see the label there. Here's an XR13, all for today refrigerant, 2-ton from March of 2011. And here's this run sheet, which I will get starting up next. And there's the reverser valve. And there's suction line. All nice and cold, sweaty. And you guys are gone. And you might have noticed I got a new setup. I normally like set like on the unit facing kind of like that, but I'm done with that. So I'm just having it straight. Just get a good shot of all of it. Unfortunately, I cannot do that for like higher units, because like this is as high as it goes. So on like the bigger units, I've set it like on the unit. But like units like these, I can just set it in front. So yeah. So I'd point that out. That's gonna be my future setup. Oh, and it always shut down. So yeah, that was something. Start up and shut down. Alright. So there was a startup and shutdown from this trane XR13 heat pump. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.